everybody, welcome to my channel. A lot of you guys were asking, like, when you guys get stuff sent to your PayPal, like with the coupons.com app or with like Savings Star, you can get that sent to your PayPal. A lot of you guys were asking what you can do with your PayPal money. Now, for me, I do not have my PayPal account attached to my bank for certain reasons in case something ever gets hacked. They have no issue on my bank statement at all. So what I do with my PayPal money is I buy stuff online, and I have a couple websites that I brought up to show you guys the PayPal option. I just did this the other day. I ended up buying a gift card at the Dollar Tree. If you guys can see, I'm at the dollartree.com website, and I ended up buying a $50 gift card and had it sent to my house that I used with my Ibotta money. So, like, there's that. If you guys want to have, if you don't see certain gift cards that you guys want, go and use your, like, apps that you have. There's ways around it. So, this is a website that you guys can obviously pay with PayPal. So, what you guys would do is, I'm not going to click it because I don't want to show you guys any personal information, but you guys would just click checkout with PayPal, and then you just put your email address that you have affiliated with the PayPal account. So, there's that. So you guys can get free things or gift cards or whatever you guys want to get at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I have my other information set, but this is the Target website. So we're at Target. You guys can, obviously my camera just really sucks at focusing, but you guys can actually pay with PayPal. So if you guys want to buy stuff with PayPal, like gift cards, you can go ahead and do that. So there's that option right there. Now we're going to go back and show you guys. There is an option right here. Sorry, my camera is not focusing, but this is at walmart.com. I have personal information I don't want you guys to see, but if it would focus, which it does not want to focus, you guys can pay at the Walmart website with PayPal. So there's that option right there for you guys. We also have Walgreens. I'm at the Walgreens website, and I just put random stuff in my basket just to show you guys, but here you guys can pay with PayPal. So there's another option for you guys if you guys want to buy Walgreens gift cards to use. The thing is, if you use Walgreens gift cards, you never get points. So that's one thing. Unless you guys really want to buy something you don't care about points, you can always buy a Walgreens gift card with your PayPal account. For all the crafters and everything, I went to Joann Fabrics. They also have the option to check out with PayPal, so you guys can pay PayPal. I've never used Visa checkout, but PayPal. So just send like your all the money in your account. You guys can buy stuff with it. Michael's has checkout with PayPal, so you guys can do that too. Sometimes it's a little bit easier just paying with PayPal, then you don't have to worry about that. And now I'm at Hobby Lobby, and they also have, again, the option for checkout as PayPal. Sorry, this video is a little shaky and my camera's not focusing, but those are a lot of places that you guys can buy gift cards if you want, or you can just buy stuff online. I'm a person who'd rather buy the gift card and then get it sent to me, and then I either buy stuff online or something. It just depends on the options that you guys want to do. But that was just a little thing to show you guys how to get how to purchase gift cards through your PayPal account. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I can always make another video explaining things to you guys, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.